Costco June flash sale. Let's jump into the deals. Up first at $650, Furman has this 6,300 watt running tri-fuel generator with a carbon dioxide alert system. This unit will run on propane, natural gas, or gasoline. And that price is after a $150 manufacturer's instant rebate. And this unit includes a 4-year limited warranty. At $45, Dynatrap has this insect trap. It'll cover 1/4 of an acre, and it's a solar, battery, or plug-in model. This price is after a $12 instant manufacturer's rebate. It helps eradicate mosquitoes, wasps, and houseflies. At $180, Kangshan has this 17-piece Denali knife set. That price is after a $40 instant manufacturer's rebate. I don't know much about knives, but if you bought this set, let us know in the comments down below how it works. At $1,200, Hewlett-Packard has this 16-inch 2-in-1 laptop. This unit has 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD. And this price is after a $300 manufacturer's instant rebate. At $40, Keter has this ultimate work table. This price is after a $10 manufacturer's instant rebate. This looks like a very handy table for all those DIY projects around the home. On closeout and at $220, Green Pan Jewel has this 11-piece cookware set. This is made with ceramic non-stick. And as you can see by the asterisk in the top right corner, this unit is on closeout and most likely never coming back. It claims it's oven safe up to 600 degrees, and it includes 7 pots and pans with 4 lids. At $100, Ninja has this dual brew, grounds and pods hot and iced coffee maker. That price is after a manufacturer's $30 instant rebate. This unit has a 70-ounce removable water reservoir, a programmable delay brew with a drip stop and a clean cycle. It will also do a cold brew very rapidly. At $14, Essenza has this outdoor citronella candle in a 2-pack. That price is after a $4 manufacturer's instant rebate. And it says it uses a lemongrass and eucalyptus combination. At $70, Timber Ridge has this zero-gravity lounger with a securing clip. This price is after a $20 instant manufacturer's rebate. I really like the idea of that nice fold-out table with the cup holder. At $15, Coastal Culture has this everyday tote. That price is after a $5 manufacturer's instant rebate. It uses luxury nylon webbing straps, and it has a zipper secure closure on the main compartment. And there were several different colors and styles to choose from. On closeout at $33.49, Infinity has this 2,000 lumen camp light. It includes the telescoping pole so you can set it at whatever height is good for you. Everybody loved Tetris when they were a kid. At $70, check out this Tetris Tumble XL game set. That price is after a $20 manufacturer's instant savings. This looks like perfectly good fun for the kids. At $2,700, LG has this 65-inch 4K OLED TV. This unit has a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it has 5 years of total warranty included. If you've ever watched an OLED TV, you know these deliver the best quality. This is new to my warehouse. At $900, check out this Life Trend cold plunge tub and chiller system. This unit includes an insulated cover, and it'll get down to 37 degrees without you even having to add ice. It also has a dual filtration system, and it's a plug-and-play setup. When you get a chance, Google the benefits of doing a cold plunge every day. On closeout at $20, check out this Tommy Bahama dry bag. It's made with a waterproof TPU material, and it has a 20-liter storage capacity. Also a front pocket with zipper and a detachable shoulder strap. At $1,500, MSI Codex has this R2 gaming laptop with a 5060 Ti gaming NVIDIA card. This price is after a $400 manufacturer's instant rebate. This unit includes 32 GB of RAM, and as a side note, MSI generally puts a higher quality motherboard in. At $450, LG has this 55-inch QNED Mini LED TV. It has a 60 Hz refresh rate, and it gives you 5 years of total warranty coverage. And remember, most of these sale prices end on June 7th. At $29, Titan Pro has this 40-can cooler. That price is after a $10 manufacturer's instant rebate. And that price includes a freezable high-performance ice blanket to help keep your beverages colder even longer. At $120, Core has this 13-foot by 13-foot canopy. That price is after a $40 manufacturer's instant rebate. And this pop-up style canopy sets up in less than 2 minutes. At $60, Kohler has this 47-liter step-on kitchen stainless steel waste can. That price is after a $25 manufacturer's instant rebate. At $320, BE Power Equipment has this 3400 PSI 2.5 gallon per minute gas pressure washer. That price is after $80 in manufacturer's instant rebates. These are great for getting that driveway and patio looking brand new again. At $880, Dometic has this 2 temperature zone cooler. You can use this in your boat, truck, even in your home. It holds up to 65 cans, and you can refrigerate on one side and you can freeze on the other. A bit pricey, but Dometic has a great reputation. Summer is here. At $500, Greenworks has this 48-volt complete combo kit lawn maintenance system. That price is after $150 in instant manufacturer's rebates. This kit includes the mower, the string trimmer, and a blower yard kit. It's good for up to 1/2 acre properties. On closeout and at $300, Tobin Sports has this 11-foot 2-inch Endeavor Elite stand-up paddleboard. This price includes an electric pump, a built-in bottle holder, and a 3-piece paddle kit and a repair kit. Looks like a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the sun. At $32, Zevo has these flying insect traps. This includes 2 devices with 6 refills, and that price is after a manufacturer's $8 instant rebate. Their slogan says, "No mess, no chemicals, and no insecticides." At $74, DeWalt has this 8-gallon stainless steel Stealth wet and dry vacuum. That price is after a $20 manufacturer's instant rebate. If you're annoyed about how loud shop vacs typically are, this unit claims to be 50% quieter, and it uses their Stealth Sonic technology. At $120, check out this Shark Flex Breeze cordless fan with a misting attachment. That price is after a $30 manufacturer's instant rebate. Despite what the sign says, the second tag says this price is good till June 7th of 2026. Here's a great price, and on closeout, at $5, Lucky Brand has these women's sand wash tops. My store only had 3 different colors to choose from, but it did have a good variety of sizes available. At $15, Blank NYC has these women's straight leg pants. That price is after a $5 manufacturer's instant rebate. There were several colors to choose from, and most sizes were in stock. At $14, Kenzie has these women's sandals. This price is after a $4 manufacturer's instant rebate. These appeared to be available in black or beige. And I saw women's sizes 6 to 11. At $29, Adidas has these men's Cloud Foam Flex sneakers. That price is after a $7 manufacturer's instant rebate. I gotta say, I bought a pair, and they truly are very comfortable to walk in. And they even had my size 13 in stock. At $8, Quicksilver had these men's active tees. This price is after a $2 manufacturer's instant rebate. And there were nice casual colors to choose from and a large variety of sizes. I covered these last week, but they're still here. At $15, Greg Norman has these men's golf shorts. The price is after a $3 manufacturer's instant rebate. For the price, these shorts are very classy looking. At $15, Greg Norman has these men's polos. That price is after a $4 manufacturer's instant rebate. There were several different classy patterns and sizes to choose from. And they look like a great match for those shorts I mentioned just a minute ago. At $15, Wrangler has these men's utility shorts. This price is after a $4 manufacturer's instant rebate. These were available in nice casual jean colors and virtually every size available. Now on to some skincare. At $35, Olay has this Regenerist 10 Hydrating Moisturizer. This price is after a $10 manufacturer's instant rebate. Their slogan is advanced ingredients for younger looking skin. And on closeout at $25, Lean has this eye cream. It comes with a 1.01 fluid ounce jar and a 0.6 fluid ounce bonus jar. All right, enough of that. Back to the fast pace. This is good for fine line care, deep hydration, and firming and lifting. At $11.49, Olay has this Advanced Moisture Body Wash 3-pack. That price is after a $4.50 manufacturer's instant rebate. It claims you will have visibly renewed skin in only 14 days. And more closeouts from ROC. At $30, check out this Hydrate and Plump Eye Cream. That price is after a $13 manufacturer's instant rebate. They claim you can have younger looking eyes in only 1 week. At $35, Olay has this Every Night Retinol Moisturizer. That price is after a $10 manufacturer's instant rebate. They claim it's clinically proven to reverse signs of aging at the cellular level. And this is their #1 retinol moisturizer. Well, that concludes this video. Be sure to smash the like and subscribe button now so you never miss any of the next top 10 deals from Costco and Sam's Club.